Our next contest, contest number 186 of the Games, is our penultimate contest. Not only our penultimate contest of the evening, it is our penultimate contest of the 23rd Commonwealth Games in boxing. Final of the men's 80 kilo light heavyweight championship. Our judges at ringside, appointed by World Boxing: number 1 Morocco, number 2 Turkey, number 3 Egypt, number 4 Mongolia, and number 5 Argentina. Our referee for this one inside the ring is from Mexico. Welcome please, Selena Ortiz Higuera. Coming to the ring first, representing India, Ankush.
As we've been hearing from the arena announcer Craig Stephen, just 2 contests remaining at the 2026 Glasgow Commonwealth Games. Ankush of India looking to add to the gold medal tally, which stands at the moment at 6.
And now coming to the ring, representing England, Dimeji, Shittu.
Strong support for Dimeji Shittu from his teammates and from sections of the crowd here in Scotland. 24-year-old who, like Ankush, has had 3 wins to get to this final stage.
This is about 186, 3 3-minute rounds of boxing. A final to decide the men's light heavyweight champion. Introducing in the red corner, representing India, Ankush. And in the blue corner, representing England, Dimeji Shittu.
So 4 golds already for India in this second session of finals. Will it be 5?
Round 1.
Bell sounds, first round in the men's light heavyweight category. Dimeji Shittu of England in the blue vest. From the orthodox stance, flicks a left hand jab towards the body area of Ankush, also known as Ankush Pangal. Brilliant in his semi-final against the highly touted Canadian Joshua Ofori. Ofori had come to the semi-final with 2 stoppage wins behind him, but Ankush diffused the power and the aggression of the Canadian and ran out a very comfortable winner. Shittu, a very different proposition. More languid, tends to stand off more, and Ankush will have to deal with that reach and those long arms of Shittu.
Ankush just sort of waiting and measuring and seeing what's in front of him. Shittu going down to that body with those long levers, down across the body there.
Keeping it up.
Good work from Shittu, keeping it nice and long.
Almost a smirk on the face of Ankush, but he takes a big right hand and then steps the referee. There was just an air of complacency about the Indian there. Almost a look of contempt as Shittu was trying to land, and then suddenly, in the middle of that display of boastfulness, so a right hand just cannoned off the Indian's chin.
Ankush looking for that backhand to the body and coming upstairs with the right hook to the chin of Shittu. Shittu doing well with that lead jab hand, just overstretching himself with the backhand. the fight at range and keeping that, popping the knee jab out, because Ankush has to work hard to get inside.
With these 2 contests remaining, it's already certain that India will be top of the medals table. England will be second. At the moment, India have 6 gold medals. England have 3.
Big swing and a miss with the right hook from Ankush, but you can see what he's looking for. Good round for Shittu. Solid backhand there, which spun the head of Ankush, and the referee was well within their rights to give the count. Even though Ankush smiled it off.
That punch, as well as some very accurate punching elsewhere from Shittu, has given him the vote of all 5 judges after the first 3 minutes. We've seen 2 of the Indian boxers come from behind after the first round. Now, Ankush Pangal is going to have to do exactly the same.
In the chest there with that right hand, yeah? Okay? Concentrate, 3 minutes, chin down, hands up, let's go, son.
Round 2.
Concentrate for 3 minutes was the last of the advice as Dimeji Shittu got up off the stool and out for the second round, leading on all 5 cards for England in the blue vest, going into the second round in the men's light heavyweight final.
Ankush galvanised and coming forward with a nice fast pace, trying to push the pace. Again for holding by the referee. Ankush still pressing forward.
Right hand again from Shittu, goes through, not with the same kind of power as the one that forced the standing count in the opening round, but Shittu generally has the kind of style that's suited to protecting a lead.
Both fighters very eager to get straight back to it. The referee wanting both for holding. This time Shittu can keep his head up. Shittu provided a bit of a elusive character here for Ankush, who's not really having that much success. Backhand from Shittu again.
Well, that could be significant. Use of the head and a pointed active from the score of Dimeji Shittu with a minute to go in the second round. And how will that boost Ankush now? Left hand lands from the Indian, who's up on his toes, he's buoyed by that transgression. He knows that's dragged him straight back into the contest.
He's looking to have success with that backhand, but both just falling in onto each other. Towards the end of that long right hand of Shittu. And very messy in there between the 2 of them. Big swing and miss backhand from Shittu.
Ankush much more respectful of that long winging right hand of Shittu's. This now will be fascinating to see what the judges have done with this, given that there is also a point deduction.
There's a disappointed actually from the referee. Ankush having a bit more success, but then standing upright just as he's finishing his work and getting tagged by that very long backhand of Shittu.
And Ankush is now leading on 3 of the 5 judges' scorecards. He's pulled it around like a couple of his compatriots did earlier on in the sessions of finals. And Shittu now leading on 2 of the cards. Once again, we're in that situation. The winner of the last round is highly likely to take this gold medal in the light heavyweight division.
Round 3.
Referee just asking for the blue corner to get the latest tide of Shittu. Lots of different roles performed by the team in the corner there.
And Shittu's now ready for school.
Yeah.
Into the 3rd and final round, and it's so close. 3 of the judges have Ankush of India in the red vest, 1 point ahead. The other 2 have Shittu leading by the same margin.
Good straight punches again from Shittu.
There was a casual air about the work of Ankush in the opening round, in which he took a standing count, but he knuckled down in the 2nd round. And now everything hinges on this last 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Good target work to the body by Ankush, but countered with a backhand from Shittu.
Ankush covering up well this time from the onslaught from Shittu, who has the reach, but it looks like the speed is with Ankush. Slips inside, beautiful counters from the Indian.
Starting to find his range well now. But Shittu think it was his successful shot.
I'm trying to remind the judges that he did round 1 home. Familiar trait with amateur boxers, raising the glove as they step away from what they believe is a success, making sure the judges are aware.
Lancing backhand there from Ankush. Still pushing forward.
We hear the reaction from the English supporters in attendance here, and that surely is the point that sways it Ankush's way and brings India a 7th gold medal on this day of finals. Good right hand from Shittu, raises the glove once again. But is this now, at this stage, too little, too late? Just about half a minute to go in the 3rd and final round. Shittu can be ungainly, can be untidy, and he's paid the price here because he's very much the match for Ankush, but those 2 points that have been deducted could be so crucial. Ankush now holding on these last few seconds. Cheers from the crowd once again as Ankush celebrates his victory as he goes back to the red corner. Trailing after the opening round, but eased his way back in.
Good timing from Ankush in that last round. Slip counter. Lovely backhand on the chin of Shittu. Will be a bit frustrated, I think.
The referee will bring together both boxers.
Shittu still holding out hope. You can tell by the expression on his face, despite those deductions.
We have a split decision. The winner, and now Commonwealth Games champion, in the red corner from India, Ankush.
The Indians are dancing, but there's a mixed reaction here in the arena to that decision. Clearly there's a feeling among some of these spectators that those points deductions against Shittu.
And please, ladies and gentlemen, with appreciation for silver medalist from England, Dimeji, Shittu.
They have to be fully ready to apply by the rules every second of every round. It's another success.